How to find your WhatsApp phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can find the phone number linked to your WhatsApp account. So while it might seem straightforward, but this can be super helpful in situations like setting up a new device and sharing your contact details. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the menu that pop out, simply tap on the settings and you will be led to the settings section. From here you can see your profile name. Simply tap on it. And in this section you will see the phone number associated with your WhatsApp account displayed in your phone number field. And that's it. You have successfully found your WhatsApp phone number. And if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.